Hi, my name is Tyson, and this is how to get into photography without being a dick.
I do mainly travel, commercial, lifestyle photography, but I really love to shoot all sorts of things. The great thing about photography is that the entry level for it really isn't that high. There are amazing photos to be taken no matter where you are and where you live, and all you have to do is go out and find them. We're gonna start with the Canon Rebel T7i. This is basically a entry to mid-level DSLR. It's perfect for a beginner. It's got great autofocus. It's got continuous shooting. It's actually gonna be quite affordable. You can get these for about $1,000, under $1,000 really, for like a full kit. This is the Canon 5D SR. It shoots a 50 megapixel image, which honestly, you don't really need unless you're gonna be printing like huge prints. These are more geared for a more professional, serious photographer. The good thing about a lot of these cameras is they're really rugged and tough, and they can kind of do everything that you want, and you can kind of shoot just about anything under the sun. Of course, they're gonna come with a higher price tag, typically $3,000 up to $4,000 for a high-end quality DSLR. All right, the last option that we're gonna talk today about is basically just the point and shoot. The point and shoot is great because they're tiny and they're small and everything's automated for you. The prices range quite a lot. You can get them from under 500 bucks, or you can go on the high end, you can spend close to $5,000 on a camera. This is the Leica Q, I think it's about 4,000 bucks. So this is obviously like the super high end, but it's an incredible camera, and it's actually my favorite one right now, and I think we're gonna take it out today when we go shooting because it's so fun to shoot with. One of the things I believe in strongly is that you don't have to be a travel photographer, you don't have to go to far-flung places to capture amazing images, and that, in fact, good photos are all around you at all times. You just have to make the effort to go out and get them. We're walking around my neighborhood. I thought I might try a little bit of street photography, which is why I brought the Leica Q. The Leica Q is great for street photography. It's kind of discreet, it's really small, it's light. You know, when you put a camera like this in front of someone to take their portrait, it's a little less intimidating than like a big zoom lens and DSLR. The best time for photographers typically is the very first few moments of the morning and the very last minutes of the evening, right? Sunrise and of course sunset, golden hour as we like to call it. We're leaving the apartment in the middle of the day. Usually that's the wrong time of day. However, we got a little bit lucky because it's very cloudy today. It's overcast and the light is very even and a little bit softer. One of the best things you can do to try and get a cool photo is simply just to change your perspective. And that can mean something as simple as like getting down low to the ground, or trying to go up high as you can to just to see things a little differently. So we're gonna try and go up on this platform, this train platform here, and try to look down and see what we can see. One of my favorite things to shoot is reflections. And the great thing about reflections is that you can find it anywhere, in any town, any neighborhood. Windows, glass, you can find it in puddles. I hope this video has maybe inspired you to go out and take photos. You really don't need to have an expensive camera. You don't have to be in Iceland. You really can take great photos no matter where you live. And anyone who tells you otherwise is a real dick. So don't be a dick, go be a photographer. It's easier than you think.